Welcome to Varieties of the French language. French varieties. Although French is the official language of 29 countries, there are numerous varieties of French across the globe. Even if the grammar remains the same, there are differences in vocabulary. Even in France itself, some expressions or words can vary from one region to another. Still to this day, there are a lot of local dialects which prevail. Main French varieties. Let's learn about some of the most important French varieties. Standard French. It is spoken in France and is an important language in diplomacy. It is also one of the 2 languages in the Olympic Games and one of the 6 official languages of the United Nations. Canadian French. French is the main language in the Canadian province of Quebec. It is often considered as a literal translation of English, mixed with some Native American words. One of the main variations with Standard French is how different some letters sound. Here are some examples of letter pronunciation in Standard French and Canadian French. A, O, T, C, D, Z. French Creole is spoken in various places like the French Caribbean department of La Guadeloupe, but also in Haiti and in La Réunion or Mauritius in the Indian Ocean. Although it varies, French Creole is a stable, natural language that has developed from a pidgin, which means a simplified language or simplified mixture of languages used by non-native speakers. In this lesson, you have learned that there are varieties of how French is spoken both inside and outside of France. The sounds of some letters are very different in Canadian French and in Standard French. Creole French was created to allow people who didn't speak the same language to communicate.